Hi everyone, today we'll see reading, Ielts reading. So here we are having the topic bioluminescence. So before going to this topic, we should read the question, how it's given, how we are going to answer for this question and all. We should have a glance and then we should go for the passage reading. Okay, so first initially it's given you should spend about 20 minutes on question 1 to 13, which are based on reading passage 1 on following pages. So question 1 to 5 is given. The reading passage 1 has 5 sections. So first we are going to see about the 5 questions only we are going to see now. And I am going to proceed with a slow phase so that you will get idea. So 5 questions we are going to discuss now with this 5 passages. So the list of headings is given is mushrooms that glow in the dark, bright creatures on land and in the sea, evolution solution, cave dwelling organisms, future opportunities in biological engineering, nature's gift to medicine, bioluminescence in humans and purposes of bioluminescence in the wild, luminance pets. And section A, section B, section C, section D and E is given. So we have to mark the answer, section A. So first paragraph that will be considered as a section A. So in section A that will be related to the answer you have to search. Okay. So we'll start with the reading passage. So the topic is bioluminescence. We are starting with first passage, that is number A. So in the pitch black waters of the ocean, aphotic zone, depth from 1000 meter to the sea floor, good eyesight does not count for much on its own. Caves in addition frequently present a similar problem, the complete absence of natural light at any time of the day. This has stopped some organisms from turning these inhospitable environments into their homes, and in the process many have created their own forms of light by developing one of the stunning visual marvels of the biological universe, bioluminescence. Okay, so it's all mentioned in a general term, right? So we have to search the answers. So it's related to the mushroom, it's not given, bright creatures not given, evolution we can consider, right? Evolution solution we can consider, cave dwelling it's not given, future opportunities in engineering it's not given, nature gift to medicine is not given, in humans is not given. So we can correlate the answer evolution solution. So you can mark it as number 1. Okay, so that's it. We are moving to second passage. Second passage, that is B. What is given is many people will encounter the bioluminescence at some point in their life, typically in some form of glowworm which is found on most continents, that is North and South America, are home to the firefly, a glowing beetle which is known as the glowworm during its larva stage. So fight is glowing beetles and worms are also found in the Europe, Asia, Australia and New Zealand, and less common flies, centipedes and mollusks and snails have bioluminescence quality as well, as do mushrooms. So the most dramatic examples of bioluminescence, however, are found deep below the ocean surface where no sunlight can penetrate at all. So here anglerfish and cookie cutter sharks, flashlight fish and lanternfish, gulper eats, gulper eels, viperfish and many other species have developed bioluminescence in its unique and creative ways to facilitate their lives. So here it's related to the answer. How we are going to get the answer is mushrooms. Okay, it's given, but bright creatures on land and in the sea it's given. Okay, related to that. So we are discussing about the land and the sea. What are the creatures living in the land and the sea? We can hold with this. And evolution, cave dwelling organisms, future opportunities, nature gift to bioluminescence, luminance pets. So most probably number 2 will be here. Okay, so next, moving to the next paragraph. The nature Uses of bioluminescence are widely, and organisms have learned to be very creative with its use. Fireflies employ the bioluminescence primarily for reproductive means. Their flashing patterns advertise the firefly readiness to breed, and some fish use it as a handy spot to help them locate prey. Others use it as a lure, the anglefish. For example, dangles a luminescent flare that draws in a gullible smaller fishes which get snapped by the anglerfish in the automated reflex. Sometimes the bioluminescence is used to resist the predators. Vampire squids eject a thick cloud of glowing liquid from the tip of its arms when threatened. It can be disorientating. Other species use a single bright flash to temporarily blind their attacker with an effect similar to that of oncoming car which has not dipped into its headlights. So related to that, we have to search the answer. Mushrooms, bright creatures, evolution, carrying future opportunities, engineering is not given, natural gift to medicine, bioluminescence, humans, purpose of bioluminescence in the wild, it will match. So in this paragraph, so many purposes is mentioned, so it will be the answer, purposes of bioluminescence in the well, number 3. Moving to the next paragraph, the humans have captured and utilized the bioluminescence by developing over the last decade a technology known as bioluminescence imaging. BLI involves the extraction of DNA protein from a bioluminescent organism and then the integration of this protein to laboratory animal through transgenism. So researchers have been able to use the luminized pathogens in cancer cell lines to track the respective spread of infections and cancers. So through BLI, cancers and infection can be observed without intervening in a way with effects of the independent development. In other words, ultra-sensitive camera, bioluminescent protein add a visual element. They do not disturb or mutate the natural process. As a result, when testing the drugs and treatments, researchers are permitted a single perspective of a therapy progression. So obviously, we can go to the answers. So for this 4, right? So 4, it is point is given is related to the medicine, nature gift to the medicine. So it will be the answer. So it is easy to identify. Okay, last paragraph, that is, one scientist learned how to engineer the bioluminescence and keep it stable. So no need to go fully. So we got the answer, that is engineering is given, right? So future opportunities in biological engineering will be the answer. That's it. We'll end up with this. So this is how we need to correlate. We need to point out the keywords and we have to find the answers. What and all it's given related to the question. Related to the passages, we need to interlink with the answers. That's it. So we're done with the 5 answers. So approximately 8 minutes is done. So 20 minutes for 1 to 13 questions will be given. We have completed only 5. So remaining, it will be shifted to that. But what we did is in a slow phase. So we have to improvise our reading skills and we need to quickly find the keywords and relate it to the answers. That's it. Thank you.